Method 3, which is actually quite simple, is selling AI websites. A majority of small business websites are outdated, slow, and even terrible on mobile. So instead of pitching web design services from scratch, you flip the process. You build pre-made websites for specific niches like dentists, gyms, restaurants, or lawyers. Then you find businesses whose current websites clearly need help. I actually made a video that has about 100,000 views that I'll actually show you how to do this, but let me just give you a brief overview. So here's a video that I created, and in this video, I use Hostinger Horizons. Now you're gonna see that has a lot of views, has a lot of likes, and people found this really helpful. And essentially in this video, what I do is I teach them how to create AI websites and then pitch it to actual local clients. And guys, I've been in web design for like 10 years, so I know how clients work. I know the best target audience, so I do recommend to watch this before you jump into, making AI websites and try to sell them. So essentially what I do here is I basically make a quick AI website using Lovable or Hostinger Horizons, or it could be any sort of AI builder. And here is the actual website live on a domain. And essentially what we do here is we actually go scour the actual Google Maps. For example, here we found this one website, Fit Factory Nashville, and I'll go ahead and click on this. And I would clearly say that this is actually a candidate. It's a really ugly looking website. So what I would do here is I would essentially take their logo, I would slap it on this AI website, shoot them an email and say, hey, what about this website? Would you guys like to have a website that looks like this? It'll only cost you $200. Now I know that sounds like not a lot of money, but I do have a pricing package right here that I'll show you why we price it like that. Essentially, you're putting them on a monthly subscription, so that way you can get recurring revenue from your websites. The benefit to using AI in this case is you're not selling a concept, you're showing a finished product. AI helps you generate copies, layouts, and variations quickly, so you can put out more websites and attract more clients with AI instead of building it all from scratch. AI automation helps you deploy fast. This removes fear, reduces back and forth, and closes the deal faster than traditional freelancing. Method 4